Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our first PU Computer Science online classes. In today's class we are going to complete one program. Now what's the question of the program? The program question, the program to convert a character. Here we are going to convert the character from uppercase to the lowercase and vice versa. That means uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to the uppercase. As we know that in our character functions, the is upper is using, is lower function is going to use to upper function and also the to lower. But in this program I am using the function name is the is upper. Clear this point here? Is upper. First of all I am checking the condition and laterwards after inputting such character, laterwards such character going to convert into the lower case. Okay, the uppercase character going to convert into the lower case. So here first of all we need to write the header file. Header file is the iostream.h, and why we using the header file iostream.h? To perform the input and output operations. Okay, and later next one, the second header file we need to use for the CLR, SCR and the getCOs. The header file name is the conio.h and the spelling conio.h. And third header file may be not necessary to use, maybe you want to use, you can use the header file is the iomany.h here. And by using such a header file we can use some of the objects or the functions end line and the set w. Okay, and later next one, the program going to start by using the void main, then opening of the flower bracket, that means the opening of the program, and later next one, what are the variable we need to declare in the program? Such a declaration of the variable char ch semicolon. That means we declare the variable ch by using the data type, and the statement, the declaration is terminated by using the semicolon. Okay, and later next one, CLR, SCR, open close semicolon. So to clear the screen, and later after that I want to display some message in our program. So just only to display the message I am using type in a character. Okay, so any type of message you can write here. So I am using type in a character, and later next one, as we know that means to input a single character, the syntax is the ch is equal to sin dot get open close semicolon. Okay, kya? So this is the function. I think no need to tell again and again what's the use of each line coding. Correct? No, the declaration of the character by using data type char CLR, SCR, we already used the header file conio.h. Then cout is using to display the message, and later next one, such function is using to input a single character. Okay, and after inputting a single character, later was I am going to check whether the character is uppercase character, and later such uppercase character going to convert into the lower case. So later we need to use the condition. The condition is the is if is upper of ch. Clear this one? So as we know that why we using this condition, is opening of the parenthesis, is upper no space ch, that means it returns non-zero value if the condition, if the character is a uppercase. Correct? No? So first of all, when it going to display the message, type in a character. Maybe if you are inputting capital letter S, that means it said the condition is true. Now after that such condition I need to, maybe the capital letter is there, no, I need to convert into the small letter. So we can say that to lower of ch is equal to ch. Clear this point here? So you should know it. One parenthesis I opened, is upper, again I open the parenthesis, written the character ch, closing of bracket twicely. Okay. So the meaning of this function, this condition meaning, here just we are going to check whether whatever the character we inputted through the keyboard, whether it's a uppercase character. Yes, if it is uppercase character, then such character going to convert into the lower case. Okay, the character, as we know that the to lower is using converting the character from uppercase to the lower case, and later now such character going to assign to the variable ch. Okay, idu condition. This one is using just only going to check the condition whether whatever the character we inputted through the keyboard is a uppercase or not. Okay, kya? If it is uppercase, such character going to convert to the lowercase, uppercase to the lowercase. Now such character is there in our ch. Now after that, now I want to display here. So it is here we can say that the lowercase letter is ch. Okay, the lowercase letter is ch. Clear this point here? The lowercase letter is the ch. It going to display, and closing of the floor bracket. Elladru ನೀವು keyboard ಇಂದ capital letter ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ condition satisfaction ಆದ್ರೆ capital letter ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ such character going to convert into the lower case. Now such character is there in ch. Later was it going to display the message. The lowercase letter is any character, whatever the character we inputted, it going to display. Okay, and later next one, maybe here not only one condition, the second condition also we need to write. So how we are need to write, use here. So if here is lower of ch, okay, so same thing, as we know that this one is just only to check from uppercase to the lower case, conversion from uppercase to the lower case here. Now this condition is using to convert from lower to the uppercase. So if is lower of ch, so here if the condition is true, then to upper, that means whatever the character we inputted, the lowercase character need to convert to the uppercase here is equal to ch. Clear this point here? Is equal to ch. The lowercase character need to convert to the uppercase, and after converting from lower to the upper, now such character is there in the variable ch. And later displaying message, that means the uppercase letter is ch. Okay, the uppercase letter is ch, and by using the end line and later we need to close the flower bracket. ಈ condition satisfaction ಆದ್ರೆ capital letter input ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ letter lower case ಗೆ convert ಆಗಿ later words going to display the message. The lowercase letter, any letter, whatever the letter is there, if you are inputted through the keyboard, maybe capital letter K, and this one is just only to reverse. Maybe if you are taking any lowercase letter, okay, inputted any lowercase letter through the keyboard, such character going to convert to the uppercase here. Now such character is there in char variable, then it going to display the uppercase letter is whatever the character we inputted here. So clear this one. Or later next one, here we need to write as else if. Okay, here just only the if, but here else if it is a lowercase character, such character need to convert from lower to the upper and then display the message. Lastly else, okay, cout, maybe not, it is not an alphabet. Okay, here if you whatever the character, maybe capital, maybe plus sign or maybe the minus sign, if you are going to input here through the keyboard, that is not equal to capital or small letter, that means such character need to display the message. That means here such program need to display the message, it is not an alphabet. And finally, as we know that the program going to terminate by using get ch and also the closing of the flower bracket. So clear this point here, as we know that by we using the program That means such program is using to convert the character from uppercase to the lowercase here or lowercase to the uppercase, that only in simple meaning called as the vice versa. Clear this point here? So as we know, declaration is the inputting character. We need this coding here, and just only to check, maybe capital letter going to convert to the lowercase, as if lowercase going to convert to the capital letter, or maybe whatever the character you are going to input, it is not equal to capital letter A to Z, not equal to small letter A to Z here, maybe plus minus any type of character. That means sure we need to display one more message, it is not an alphabet. Gets it? Closing of the flower bracket. So clear the program now. So this is the program. Now let's, in our next class we are going to start some of the string concept, the string function concept. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.